Perfect prepositions, sharing occupations and roles. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're focusing on an essential part of English grammar, prepositions, specifically, how to use prepositions when sharing your occupation or role. This may seem like a small detail, but it can make a big difference in how clearly and correctly you communicate. To start, let's remind ourselves what prepositions are. In English, prepositions are words like in, at, on, for, and with. They're used to show the relationship between different parts of a sentence. When talking about occupations and roles, we often use prepositions to give more detail about our job or position. Now, let's talk about using as when discussing your occupation. As is used to describe the function or role that you, or someone else, fulfill. For example, 1. I work as a teacher. 2. She serves as the CEO of the company. In these sentences, as is used to indicate the role or job that someone has. The preposition in can be used to describe the field or industry you work in. For instance, 1. I work in the medical field. 2. He is in software development. Here, in shows us the larger area or field where you work, not just your specific job. Another common preposition used when sharing your occupation is for. We use for to indicate the company or person that you work for. Here are some examples. 1. I work for Google. 2. She works for a nonprofit organization. In these cases, for tells us who the person works for. Lastly, we have with. The preposition with is typically used to discuss the tools or materials you work with in your occupation. For example, 1. I work with computers. 2. She works with young children. These sentences tell us about the tools or people someone works with as part of their job. That wraps up our lesson on using prepositions to share your occupation or role. Remember, these small words can make a big difference in how well you communicate in English. By using prepositions like as, in, for, and with, you can give a clearer picture of what you do and where you do it. Keep practicing and we'll see you in our next video. Happy learning!